Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
MLA ka seng BJP na penthor umkra uba Ilekshon haniga sngi ule tho ba seng kampat rai u Kyrtong ubanya khun ya kanike election Shiteng Samoi jong ka Shillong Lok Sabha wala labun ki pen pau ka jingtrang banya khun ya kanike election habe kran biginong tho khubor uba hek ulapen pau ba kidon hadu khandai ngot kinong yalam ka seng ki batrang banya khun ya kanike election bat ka seng shan kan salome ka jingalang banya kran yano an ai ticket na kini ki bapan Ngimpat shimna rai ka Kyrteng jongno ngin pha kum Kyrtong ka sanction kan se kendo bat shimya ka rai jong Kyrtong ka BJP ubanya khun ya gani ka election Shiteng Samoi na Shillong parliamentary constituency ong uba hek haba jubab yaki khubor hamsaya bandan ki bandung thamai shaga seng uba hek uloong ba seng ka play ka jingkhang bat ka plyang snobha yaki ladaki thrang ban penya so bat ka BJP Hendrai ula banjur da ka baong bakarai ka bakhat du kan de yu Kyrtong ubadan ka jingkermen banjob baun mi khmat ya ka seng hakani ka election uno ula ban pan tiket lada manu ki penya so bat ka BJP ngipdyang snobha yaki hak bakut ka seng kan sarai uba ibet bat ubadan jingkermen banjob uloong
We have 9 contenders who has already applied for tickets, so we have not zeroed down. So we'll be sitting in maybe next week sometime. So we have to decide now because the time is running short. We have to decide now who will be our BJP by-election candidate for the Shillong parliamentary constituency for this by-election. So definitely we are going to decide very soon.
At the rumors we heard that Pynïeng will be enrolled and BJP will be the candidate MP.
See, anybody can apply. Once he will join the BJP, definitely we should welcome him to the BJP, and we the party will see who will be the fittest candidate for the for winnable candidate for the BJP for the Shillong bypass parliamentary seats. And also ask for RHE yesterday. See, RHE hospital. This is the only hospital in Meghalaya where we have the complete equipment. We are the only hospital in Meghalaya we have the PET CT scan. There's no PET CT scan any hospital, whether it's a private hospital or the government hospital, even in Negrim, they don't have the PET CT scan. The only hospital having the PET CT scan is the RHE Super Speciality Hospital. And I'm very thankful to the Honorable Union Minister. Last week I went to his office, I met him and I given my invitation letter to him, and immediately he said, I will come to inaugurate your hospital, and he has made the thing into reality and had come yesterday, and it was a very, very colorful and also not only colorful, it's very successful program that we had there in RE hospital.
So do you think this is going to help us? Can you explain more about that PET scan or PET scan?
PET scan is actually specialized in mainly in oncology, cancer. Suppose now for the cancer, if you want to be, have a pain detection, if it's a pain size of detections, if you want, only the PET CT scan can be detected. Not other, maybe the other also they can do it, but the PET CT scan is one of the very, very strong equipment where they can do a spot detection for any ailments of human being.